Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, kindly consider to subscribe, join this amazing family, share my videos and like as always. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make delicious dengu, or we call them the green grams, in an easy way. So stay tuned, relax and take some tips from this video. This is the easiest recipe, guys. In my channel, I always tell you that here is where we make the easiest recipes. It's looking delicious, so stay tuned and watch how I did this. So inside my pot I have the cooking oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the red onions together with the spring onions. So by doing this, you will love the combination. Stir and let that cook until golden brown. I love adding my salt and garlic at this stage. Then stir my garlic and let it fry together with the onions. So guys, for my spices I'll be using the paprika, 1 teaspoon of paprika, the turmeric, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, the garam masala, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, then curry powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder. And so I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomato puree together with my spices. Some tomato paste. If you love using tomato paste, add it at that stage. So if you also love some Rico cube, you can go ahead and add that, but it's optional. Mix everything together and let that cook on low heat for 8 minutes. My paste is ready, and so I'm gonna go ahead and add my dengu, my boiled dengu, and mix that together and let it soak and absorb all those flavors. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover that for 2 to 3 minutes. So after the 3 minutes, go ahead and check your dengu. And so at this stage, I like crushing my dengu like so, and by doing that, it will help in thickening my soup. I love the results when I do this. So my next ingredient is coconut milk. You can use the normal milk, and this, oh my god, this is magic. When doing this, or by doing this, you will surely love the results. You will be cooking this like every day. I'm assuring you of that. Ooh, I'm already salivating. So add as you stir, add as you stir until you get that consistency. Mix everything together. Check on your salt. If you want to add, you can go ahead and add. Then cover that to cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Ooh, and dengu is a healthy dish that you can enjoy with some rice, chapati, or even ugali. So mine is ready and you can see it's looking delicious. I really enjoyed this meal with some rice. Oh my god. And I think I'll be doing this like every 2 days in a week. After every 2 days in a week, I'll be cooking this because I really enjoyed this. Oh my god, it tasted so good. So I will highly recommend for you to try out this recipe and tell me on the comment section what you think about this recipe. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider to subscribe, share my videos, like and comment down below. Okay, I loved this. Guys, just try this and tell me. Okay. Oh, and until on my next video guys, I'll see you all very soon, and don't forget to watch my other recipes. Just check them out and support this lady over here. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. I hope you have enjoyed.